In this video, you will learn how to send data about leads from Plerdy to other tools. If you have created the email or phone collection form in Plerdy, you can send the leads collected with these forms to other tools you're using for further email nurturing, tracking, or other goals. To do so, navigate to Forms and Feedback tab, API Integration. On the left side, you'll find the list of all available integrations. Find the tool you need, click on it, and check the information on the right-hand side. The integration process differs depending on the tool. However, for every one of them, we have added tips. So if you're not sure what to do and have to complete the integration, check the information by clicking on the question mark. We have added the screenshots and details for each tool. Typically, you'll need the API key and the list ID. Also, you'll have to select from which form you want to export the leads, then press export and in the end press save. If you don't use any of these tools and you don't want to use API, you can simply export the leads from the reports. You can export it as an Excel file or a CSV file. For more information on how to get the most out of Plerdy and use all of the tools effectively, go to the following videos.